Hello, welcome a new video. Today I will show you for ways to recover deleted text messages on iPhone with and without backup. Remember to like and subscribe. Method 1. Recover deleted messages on iPhone without backup. Using Eassiy iPhone data recovery. In order to recover deleted text messages from iPhone, we must download this program on our computer. The link is available in the description of this video. It is available on Windows and Mac. Once the program has been downloaded, we will connect the iPhone to the computer and select the first option of the program. We select the option to recover text messages. You can choose several. Now tap Start Scan. This deep scan process will depend on the number of messages the device has. Once the program is finished, it will show us a preview of everything found on the iPhone. Now just select what you want to recover and tap on the purple recovery button. That's it. Method 2. Recover deleted texts in the Messages app. Go into the Messaging app and tap on the top to edit. Now select Show Deleted Messages. Everything will appear here. You have two options: delete or recover everything. Of course, just select what you want to recover. Method 3. Recover deleted messages on iPhone with iCloud. With Messages in iCloud, anything you delete and recover on iPhone is also deleted or recovered on your other Apple devices, where Messages in iCloud is turned on. The actions of deleting and recovering messages change only your messages conversations, not those of the recipients. You can restore deleted messages up to 30 days after you deleted them. You can enter directly to the iCloud.com page, or from the same program you can enter your account and see what text messages are backed up. For this, we touch the third option and now enter your account. Here you can see all the documents that are backed up to iCloud. You just have to search for what you want to restore and that would be all. Method 4. Recover deleted messages on iPhone with iPhone backup. If you have the backup option activated in your iPhone settings, you can reset your device, and in the initial configuration it will show you an option to restore all your data. Another way would also be from the computer. With the iTunes program, connect your device and go to the Restore Backup option. With this we are done. In this way, you will be able to recover all the deleted messages from iPhone.